Hello everyone, welcome to Desilicious Kitchen. Today we are going to make Boondi Laddu, which is an extremely delicious sweet and also a top hit for any festive season. So let's see how to make Boondi Laddu. We've taken 200 grams or 2 heaping cups of besan or chickpea flour, and this is the flour which is specially meant for Boondi Laddu. We've also taken 675 grams or 3 heaping cups of sugar. 1 tablespoon saffron or kesar, and we are not adding any artificial color. Ghee to fry, you can also use oil instead of ghee. Half a nutmeg or jaifal which is broken and 5 cloves. 30 grams, that is 15 cashew nuts. 10 grams or 30 raisins or kishmish. Sugar candy or kadi shakkar or kalkand, you just have to take very few of these. Edible camphor or kacha karpur or pache karpuram, just a very small pinch. Salt, again a small pinch. This is bundi jhara or perforated ladle, specially meant for frying bundi. So you pass the besan mixture over this onto the oil and you have perfect bundi ready. So in a mixing bowl, we've added besan, and to the besan we are adding 2 teaspoon rice flour and half teaspoon salt. And now we are going to add water little by little and make a batter. Do not add all the water at once because we first need to get rid of the lumps in the besan. So just add water little by little. As I already said, we need to ensure that there are no lumps. So we just have to keep mixing it well. And also the quantity of water you have to add really depends on the flour texture. All you have to do is just keep mixing and adding water little by little. This is how the batter should look, neither too thick nor too thin. It's ready. So we've taken sugar in a pan and added 1.5 cups of water to it. And we've brought it to a boil. We need to make sugar syrup out of it. We've kept the flame on medium while boiling the sugar syrup. If the flame is not kept on medium flame, the sugar can crystallize and you might not be able to make good laddus, so you have to be very careful about that. We are not adding any food color. We've added kesar or saffron to the sugar syrup. Let's give it a good mix. The sugar syrup is now full of bubbles. Now we need to check the consistency of it. So to check the consistency, just take a little bit of sugar syrup on one of your fingers and press it between your finger and thumb. So if it forms a weak string, that means your sugar syrup is ready. You don't have to cook it further. So now we've heated ghee in a frying pan, and once it's smoking hot, we have to add the batter. Like we have to pass it through the jhara. Again, it all depends on your batter. So if your batter is too thick, the bundi will form tails, which we don't want. We want the bundis to be round. And if it is too thin, it's going to become flat. So you have to be very careful about how you make the batter. Also, while passing the besan through the ladle, do not press it with a spoon because then the bundi becomes flat. Also, if you hold the bundi too close to the oil, it can form tails. So you have to also be careful about that. So once you've fried all the bundis, we've also fried some cashew here and some raisins in the same ghee in which we had fried the bundi. And we had added bundi to the sugar syrup mixture that we had made earlier. So we are also going to add the cashews and the raisins over the bundis and the sugar syrup mixture. In the same ghee, we are also going to fry the nutmeg or the jaifal and cloves. These are now ready. Let's take them out. Let's crush the cloves and the jaifal in a mortar and pestle. There, it's ready. Let's add this to the bundi mixture as well. And to this, we are going to add a small pinch of the edible camphor and the kalkand or sugar candy. Do not add too much of either of these. Now let's mix this. Take care to mix from the bottom of the pan so that the sugar gets evenly mixed with the bundi and the other ingredients. So once we've mixed the bundi mixture well, we can begin to make the laddus. So just take a small portion of the bundi mixture and roll it in your palm in order to make nice round laddus. Also, do not wait for the bundi mixture to cool down. So you have to start making the laddus as soon as the mixture becomes warm enough for you to handle it. So let's quickly make the rest of the laddus in the same way. Those are the laddus in the plate, all ready and yummy. This looks so good. Look at the shape. It's nice and round and it looks very tempting. And friends, this is how it looks after 12 hours. It has set very nicely. And the longer you keep these laddus, the better they taste. Hope you like this recipe. Please give this a try and give us a feedback. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thanks a lot. Take care. Bye-bye. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for notifications. Thank you.